There's something that I use off camera a lot when I'm turning, and I don't usually show it to you. It's a hone. This is made by Allen Lacer. It's one of the finest on the market. It is incredible. It's 600 grit. This one is close to 20 years old. I've had it that long. That's how long it's lasted, and he's made improvements since then. But it looks nice and clean, right? Well, actually, this is what it looked like on the other side a minute ago. So after you use your hone for quite a while, it will build up metal shavings on there, which gunk up the whole process and it won't hone as well. Allen has a great tip for how to clean it. This stuff is called PB Blaster, and you want to get the one that says original on it because it works great for unsticking nuts and moving rust and everything else. So you just kind of put this on here, and you don't want to put it in a plastic anything because it'll eat the plastic up, but you can leave that on there to soak overnight, and then you can take a brass brush and use it to help loosen up the steel and the metal it's gotten off there, because it'll eat away. It oxidizes it off somehow, I don't know. So this is how you clean your hone and maintain it. And believe me, they're awesome to use because it keeps you from having to go to the grinder a whole lot of times.